Yeah, well, I'm just gonna yawn now because I am totally bored. Yay! Well, anyway, let's go and see my vast book collection because I'm a total nerd. Yes, yes, my nerdiness. Well, go. Ooh, messy room, messy room. Oh my god, look at this. Hey guys. Yes, I know these are big books, but they're actually just like 5 stories in each. Except this one, my Jules Verne. Hi, Jules Verne. No one can steal Jules Verne from me because he's awesome. And H.G. Wells and Mark Twain. No one can steal those magical 3 authors from me because they are awesome and they're mine. And it shows how much a nerd I am. But it's so awesome because look, this one got gold on the top, and this one got silver on the top, and then this one got gold again. Oh my god, it's a pattern. Oh my Jesus, it's a pattern. It's a pattern. It's a pattern. Yes, I know I have weird emotions. I know I'm not so pretty. Even though a random person at a store called me pretty, that was really weird. But I thank you for it. Yes, look at my fish tank with my little freaking albino fish gone. I don't know why I only have these 2 fish left this week. Come on. Ah, F you. I don't like those fish. They're mean to me. Well, anyway, let's see other basketball collections. Oh my Jesus, what is this? Oh my god, what's this? Oh, it's books. Oh my god, it's my bookcase full of books. And yes, I'm a bad nerd as well. And if you didn't believe it, let me see. I knew I had my band book in here somewhere. My band book. My band book. My magical band book. Band book. Band book. Look, I knew how to play. Let me see here. No, I don't want to show people my skills and Instagram or whatever. See, look, here's my band book. My magical band book. This is just actually a real book. And if you can see right there, I play clarinet, people. Clarinet. Yes, and it is quite awesome for me. Well, anyway, I have nothing else to talk about. Yeah. Let's see, Friday I went to a field trip to U of A, which is in Tucson, Arizona. And then we went to the Pima Air Museum. That was fun. I got a cup there. There was like basically nothing in that gift shop area, so I only took these cups. Yeah, I am very boring. I have nothing else to do, but let's go to the computer. Look at my face and computer. This is my dad's computer actually, but whatever, we're going to go use it. See, look. There's my channel. And there's me and Kara's channel. And then there's Kara. And then Miko. And then there's Anna, my awesome friend. And then there is Ren, which is barely on anymore. And then Team Jacob Buddies, which they're funny. And then there's Whitney, my awesome Whitney person. I forgot that person's name, but she is also awesome. And then my brother Yukio. And then this guy. He's just so exciting, I'm leaving. Don't leave me. Whatever. And then this is Zilla, Kara's husband. And not in real life, but you know, online. And then this is her brother, John, even though it's just Ty, but whatever. We are going to name people something different. And yes, I am Russia right now. Look at my Russianness. My Russianness. And now I'm on DeviantArt, my awesome DeviantArt. Oh, you suck. Not giving me any messages. Not leaving me on messages. Okay, there's some messages. I can rid of this. I can rid of this. And yes, me. I don't want to be a chef. Well, I am freaking bored. I have nothing else to do in life. Yes, I'm new and crazy and I am psychotic, but what am I supposed to do? Oh yes, and I got a tie-dye pillow! Tie-dye pillows! Tie-dye pillows! Yes, I know I'm just going on about random crap, but if you know me in real life, like her is, oh yeah, it's so random! And I may have even seen me one time practicing my instrument. But not right now, because like, let me see what time it is. tomorrow is Monday, today's Sunday, and I'm sad. Well, yeah, that's basically all. TV! The black screen of awesomeness! TV. TV, TV, TV. TV, TV, TV. TV, TV, TV. Oh, we're on channel 26 now. Star Wars. Well, I'm bored now. I do not know what to do now. Well, I do not know what to do anymore. And I probably did video. Yeah, probably I did crappy video editing because I do not have those cameras that you can put the switch, some thingy on, where the video is. So I have to basically guess where to put my hand so it's not too close to my face and it's not too far away. So yeah. So I'm gonna go now. Cause I really don't know what to do anymore. And I am bored. But before we go, I want to show you one little thingy. Yes, I want to show you one little thingy before I leave again. This little thing is my kitty panda. Oh my Jesus, look at my kitty. Kitty! Kitty! Hey kitty. Yes, this is my cat, Panda Dragon. This is my actual cat, and his actual name is Panda Dragon. Yes, and you are proud of that name, aren't you? Oh, look at you. Oh, you're posing for the camera. Oh, you're posing for the camera. Pose for the camera, panda. Pose for the panda. Oh, wait, I just totally said that wrong. Pose for the camera, panda. Pose for the camera. There we go. I'm gonna go now, because I am Teddy Bud, and this kitty's so mean to me. So mean to me! Oh yeah, wanna know why he's so mean to me? Let me get in the light. Let me go in the light of my messy room. Look at that red line. That is him scratching me this morning. And then this other line, and then on my finger, this little red dot, is another scratch that he gave me a couple weeks ago. This little demon right here, yeah, you're the little demon panda. What are you doing? You're going to walk in my room and you're going to go lay on my little sheets of awesomeness, and you're going to be mean to me, aren't you? Meanie! Meanie! He's a meanie to me. Meanie Bobini. Beep, beep, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to go now before I bore you guys to death and become 5 hours length of stupid video camera net. Anyway.